In this lesson, we are going to solve a system consisting of two quadratic equations. On the top, both of these quadratic equations represent circles. Because a quadratic equation represents a circle when none of the terms of the quadratic equation has the term involving x times y. Number 2, if the coefficient of x square and y square are same and there is no term involving x times y, and third condition that the sign of x square and y square are same, then those quadratic equation will represent circles. Both the equations in this case are representing circle. So let's get started to solve them. And here we have the given system. The given system is x square plus y square plus 4x equal to 1. Let's call this as equation 1. And the second circle is x square plus y minus 1 square equal to 10. This is equation number 2. So let's expand equation 2 so that we can have, this means x square plus y square minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 10, or this is x square plus y square minus 2y equal to 9. So we can use this as the equation number 2 instead of that one. So subtracting 2 from 1, subtracting equation 2 from 1. So this will give us x square plus y square plus y square plus 4x equal to 1. And if we want to subtract this second equation, x square plus y square minus 2y equal to 9. And if we want to do a subtraction, we will draw the line here and then change the signs. Here this will become minus, this will become minus, this will become plus, and this will become minus. Now you can see x square can be cancelled with x square, y square will be cancelled with y square, and 4x plus 2y will be written as such because they cannot be added because they are unlike terms. X can never be added to y. So 4x plus 2y is equal to minus 8. And now we can divide throughout by 2. Divide by 2, and this will give us 2x plus y equal to minus 4. This is called equation 3. Now equation 3 can be solved with any one of the quadratic equation. It doesn't matter. So solving 3 and 1. Solving equation 1 and equation 3. Doesn't matter you solve equation 3 with equation 1, or you can solve the pair equation 3 and equation 2. Both will give you the same solution. So if that is the case, then let's get the value of y from equation 3. That will give us y is equal to minus 4 minus 2x, and putting this value, substituting value of y in equation 1. And what was equation 1? In equation 1 we will substitute the value of y. That will give us x square plus y was equal to x square plus y square plus 4x equal to 1 minus 4 minus 2x whole square plus 4x equal to 1. And now we will open up this x square plus 16 plus 4x square plus 16x plus 4x again equal to 1. So this, when you collect the like terms, 4x square and x square can be added, so this will become 5x square, and 16x plus 4x will become plus 20x, and when transferred on this side will become plus 15 equal to 0. So now by dividing throughout by 5, dividing by 5 will give us x square plus 4x plus 3 equal to 0, and which is quadratic equation in x, which is quadratic equation in x, and we'll solve it by factorization. X square plus 1 plus 3 times x plus 3 equal to 0. So this means x square plus x plus 3x plus 3 equal to 0, and if we take x common, this should give us x plus 1 plus 3 common, x plus 1 equal to 0. This means if we take x plus 1 common, this is x plus 3 equal to 0. Since the product of two real numbers is 0, so either x plus 1 is equal to 0 or x plus 3 equal to 0. Mean x is equal to minus 1 or x is equal to minus 3. Remember, what was the equation number 3? The equation of that straight line which we got from equation 1 and 2. That was y equal to minus 4 minus 2x. Y is equal to minus 4 minus 2x. So y is equal to minus 4 minus 2x, and here again y is equal to minus 4 minus 2x. So when x is equal to minus 1, then this is minus 4 minus 2 times minus 1. This will give us minus 4 plus 2 means minus 2, which is the value for y. And when x is equal to minus 3, then y will be equal to minus 4 minus 2 times minus 3, and this will give us y is equal to minus 4 plus 6, and this gives us y is equal to 2. So we have two solutions. One is minus 1 and minus 2. This is one point where the two quadratic equations intersect, and there is another point, and that point is minus 3 and 2. So if you want to visualize, so this is solution set, you can write solution set is minus 1 minus 2 and minus 3 minus 2. And if you want to visualize this on the minus y plus 2, this was minus y plus 2, minus 3 plus 2 and minus 1 minus 2. If you want to visualize, this is on the circle here. This is the point of intersection 1, that is A. This is minus 3, 2, and that other point of intersection is this. This is 1 minus 2. This is point B. And practice will make you perfect, and the skills you learned in solution of quadratic system, these are going to help you when you do the conic section, where you are required to solve to find the point of intersection of two circles.